DAVV has a dedicated training and placement cell that works towards providing placement opportunities to its students. The cell maintains close relationships with various companies and industries to facilitate recruitment of students through campus placement. Centralized Placement Cell maintains the recruitment process. It was established in 2021. The fact that the core committee of CPC consists of faculties from different UTDs of the university indicates a collaborative effort towards streamlining the placement process at DAV. It is also encouraging to know that regular activities are conducted to boost students' placements, which indicates a proactive approach towards preparing students for their future careers. Vision of CPC is to develop a holistic education with value-imbued holistic learning for peaceful, sustainable and humane societies through the creation, advancement and dissemination of knowledge, and mission is to educate and empower learners to realize their potential through righteous blending of knowledge, skills and values for serving the society. This is the special message from our Honorable Vice Chancellor Dr. Renu Jain.
I am Dr. Renu Jain, VC Devi Ahilya Vishwavidyalaya. And I am very happy to say that we have formed a central placement committee to improve the number of placements as well as to improve the packages of the students. I am very happy to share that several students have been placed through the efforts of our central placement committee, and actually the number of offers received by the students is more than the number of students applied. So we can say that more than 100% placements have been made. So for this I congratulate our Central Placement Committee for such good response of the companies and for such bright career of our students.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Dr. Nitin Nagar. I am Assistant Professor at IIPS and also looking after the placement of MC and MTech students of IIPS. I am the member of Centralized Placement Cell, which is also known as CPC. After the formation of Centralized Placement Cell in the year 2021, we find that the students' placement increased day by day.
Hi, I am Amnish Vyas. I am working with IMS, Devi Ahilya University Indore, and member Central Placement Cell. As you all are aware that every year we are increasing the number of placements. This year also we have done good placements, and on behalf of Central Placement Cell, I would like to ensure you that we'll continue our hard work and will provide better opportunities to the students. Thank you.
The campus placement process starts with sending invitations to companies and student registrations. The resumes are verified and eligible candidates are shortlisted. The shortlisted candidates attend pre-placement talks, followed by testing and interviews. Results are declared after the entire process is completed. The university takes great pride in welcoming its alumni back to the campus, as it provides an opportunity to reconnect and strengthen the bond. DAVV's warm welcome to its alumni reflects the university's commitment to maintaining a lifelong relationship with its students and the recognition of their contributions to society. Grooming sessions through centralized placement cells are designed to prepare students for the recruitment process by providing them with essential skills and knowledge. The centralized placement cell also helps organize placement drives and internships for students. These are the happy moments captured from the placement process. The highest placement last year was 56 LPA.
Hello everyone, my name is Ritti Nema and I am currently working with Hetlagen as a software engineer. I am a 2022 graduate from IIT DAVV Indore from Computer Engineering branch. In my college I was also placed in VMware, Grow and other few companies as well. So I would like to thank the CPC and the training and placement staff who made us sit in such good organization and get placed there.
This bar chart shows the placement throughout the years, number of companies visited in DAVV and milestones under CPC.
Hello, I am Ishita Sharma. I am from Information Technology branch, batch 2025. I am currently placed at SafeSend and I would like to thank CPC for their constant support and guidance.
Hi, I am Huzaifa Qureshi. I am final year student at IIT DAVV from 2025 batch and I am currently placed at Carvalho, and I am thankful to Centralized Placement Cell for their support.
I am Aditya Tiwari from Information Technology branch, student of 2025 batch, currently placed at NRI Fintech. I want to thank CPC for the opportunities and coordination.
Hello everyone, I am Devsani. I am placed in Avalara. Many thanks to CPC Cell for their support throughout this process.
Hello everyone, I'm Utkarsh Soni and I'm currently placed at Barclays. I'm from Information Technology branch from 2021 to 25 batch.
Everyone, this is Sahil Patkar from Balaghat, Madhya Pradesh. I am currently a final year student at IIT and placed at Deutsche Bank. Thanks to CPC for their constant support.
I am Sujal Agrawal, currently in the final year of computer engineering and placed at 25. I would like to thank CPC for this wonderful opportunity.
Hello everyone, I am Rohit Sinha from Information Technology branch. I am currently placed at MasterCard and I want to thank CPC for this wonderful opportunity.
Hello, I'm Ayan Nema from Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. I'm currently a final year student in IIT DAV and got placed in MasterCard. I'd like to thank the Centralized Placement Cell IIT DAV for this amazing opportunity and for their constant support and motivation throughout my placement journey.
My name is Chandrakant Verma. I am from IIT DAV Indore. My branch is Mechanical Engineering. Currently I am placed in LG Noida. Thank you dear placement cell for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Session has been a successful year for placements with a high number of students placed in various profiles. The placements can be represented profile-wise, category-wise, and gender-wise. Last but not least, the CPC Core Committee is responsible for the overall functioning and management of the centralized placement cell in an educational institution. The committee comprises of faculty members and placement coordinators who work together.